Hi, this is Aisha. Welcome to Ashish Kitchen yet again. They say संडे हो या मंडे रोज़ खाओ अंडे. कैसे नहीं खाएंगे क्योंकि एक अंडे से हम कितनी सारी डिशेस बना लेते हैं. So many varieties you get from an egg. So this time I'm going to present spicy garlic eggs. Yes, it is indeed very spicy and garlicky and very easy to prepare. So let's head on to my kitchen and check out how to make spicy garlic eggs. Let's go. So we start making our garlic spicy eggs. So first we have to grind certain things. First I'm taking garlic cloves. These are around 15 cloves. Then I would be taking 1 big spoon of zeera. And then I would be taking red chili powder, 2 big spoons. After this I would be putting salt. I'm adding salt over here only, so later on I won't add it into eggs. And then I would be pouring little of water so that I can make a coarse paste out of this. So basically garlic in this is going to do the wonders. So I'll just make it a paste and come now. So I have grinded the garlic along with the red chili powder and zeera. So I'll just keep it aside. Now we come to the pan and we'll make our spicy garlic eggs quickly. I have taken ghee and oil, and now I would be putting zeera, cumin seeds, and after this good amount of curry patta. This is Kashmiri lal mirchi, 1 big I'm putting, and along with it little bit of turmeric. So we'll just allow it to splatter in oil. Just put the gas on medium and I'll just allow it to just cook for a while. Little bit of garlic, I've just chopped it roughly just for the aroma and the oil I'm putting, and immediately when it starts spluttering, so I would be putting my eggs. So I would be preparing a sunny side up at the moment. In one pan I would be making around 5 sunny sides up, or you could call a half fry, but we are not making a half fry. We'll just allow the lower base to get a bit crispy, and then I would be scrambling them. So for the crispiness I'm just putting it this way, and I'll show you what I'll do next. Just waiting for a while to get the lower portion to be a bit crispy. So the base has become a bit crispy, and now I would be adding the masala which we have grinded. Now here you can just see how many eggs you're putting. So proportionately you put the masala, and if it's less you can put it more. So I would be just wiggling off the yellow portion, just wiggle it a bit and start scrambling it. My main intention here was to get this crispier version, so which I have got it, and that's why I had laid the eggs in this format. And now a good mix would go and I would scramble them in a good format. So as you can see, I have scrambled them very well and it's very spicy. So just vaguely I'll give you the proportions. For I've beaten in 4 eggs, not 5. So for 5 eggs I've taken around these 3 spoons of masala. So because we love spicy, so I've taken it that way. You can take a call on it, but yes, the garlicky flavor is indeed very good, and that's our main intention to make this. Apart, I have not added any other spices. What I have shown you, that's it. So now I would be garnishing it with the good amount of coriander. So coriander and curry patta again enhances the flavor in this garlicky spicy eggs. So I'll just plate it now. I'll switch off the gas. So I'm just plating it, and this you can have it with pav or chapatis or naans, anything. It's really awesome. We have it for dinner many a times. So I have plated it, and it is of course looking like a bhurji, but it is a bhurji, but it's a garlic bhurji. I have not put in any of the spices except what I have shown you, and of course it makes marked difference in the taste. So do try it, especially the ones who are lovers of garlic. Garlic indeed, you add it in anything, it brings out the desired taste. It's really awesome. Go for it, try it today and have it with chapati or bread or naan or pav. So for now I hang up and I'll come up with something new, exciting, nice. So bye bye, take care.